my name is Elizabeth Perconell, and the title of this project is the reduction of coefficient of kinetic friction by high carbon content substances. The purpose was to see if high carbon content substances can reduce kinetic friction as shown by a lower coefficient of kinetic friction. Graphite is an industrial lubricant. It is also 100% carbon, so could other things that are mainly carbon do the same? The substances with high carbon content are used as lubricants between two steel surfaces. Then the carbon fiber and graphite test will have the lowest coefficient of kinetic friction. This is so because carbon fiber is roughly 90% carbon and its graphite crystals along a fiber axis, and graphite is 100% carbon and is already an industrial lubricant. This three-body diagram was used to figure this equation for coefficient of kinetic friction, which showed what data need to be collected. Here's the experimental setup with all the lubricants and control as shown. The raw data is here and the graph is here as well. Table 6 tells that only graphite and carbon fiber reduce coefficient of kinetic friction with low variance between the data of their trials. Table 7 tells that only the graphite test was significant in doing so. This means that the hypothesis was supported and refuted, since it showed that carbon fiber test was insignificant, while the graphite test was, and that it lowered coefficient of kinetic friction. This is important because this project is to see what else besides graphite can be used as a dry lubricant in this modern society in order to prevent friction between steel parts. Thank you.